A day in my life as a young married couple living in Baguio. Hey guys, it's me, Mrs. Quaison, back again with another mini vlog.
Manipis lang mukha ko.
Loving you, I thought was just a game that
Hindi mo kaya, di ba?
always play.
Hindi ko kaya na.
But now it's so much harder.
I love you, dear May!
Your eyes, your tears are falling as you turn away.
Tapos,
I called but you kept going.
Soon to be my wife.
hindi ka seryoso. Hindi mo inaayos.
Time just seemed to
Ang sabi mo, sigaw lang. Bakit ngayon? Ang dami na namang ano.